Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we have an exciting puzzle that's going to test your logical reasoning skills. It is called Cross the Breeze. It is a classic problem that is often used in many interviews. Please listen to the statement carefully. A breeze will collapse in 17 minutes. There are 4 persons who need to cross the breeze. It is a dark night and they have only one flashlight, which they must use while crossing the breeze. The breeze can bear the load of 2 persons at a time. Each person takes different amount of time to cross the breeze. Person A can cross the breeze in 1 minute. Person B takes 2 minutes. Person C takes 5 minutes. And person D takes 10 minutes. Now the question is how all of them will cross the breeze in 17 minutes before it collapses. So just relax, take a moment and continue the video to verify your answer. Okay, let's look at the solution now. Step number 1. Person A and person B will cross the breeze together, taking 2 minutes. Person A will then come back with a flashlight, taking 1 minute. Step number 2. Person C and person D will then cross the breeze together, taking 10 minutes. Person B will then come back with the flashlight, taking 2 minutes. Step 3. Person A and person B will then cross the breeze together, taking 2 minutes. And that's how you solve the cross the breeze puzzle in the shortest amount of time possible. This puzzle is a great way to test your logical reasoning skills and your ability to come up with creative solutions. Give it a try and let us know in the comment box how well you did. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more fun puzzle like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.